very proud of this achievement. This is by far the best site there is in Fort Lauderdale. This is an amazing property that we couldn't find anywhere with close to 5 acres. The response has been phenomenal. It's part of the commitment of our partners, to develop the best project in Fort Lauderdale, and I think the best project in south of Florida.
This is a great reality. We put together the best team that there is, with Meyer Davis in the interior design, with the architectural features that this building has, with the development team that we have. Everything is bound to be the best in Fort Lauderdale.
So let me take you back in time for just a couple of minutes. Back in 1965, the building was opening. Ireland's Inn Beach Resort was opening in Fort Lauderdale. Since that time, and up through now, it's always been about community. What it will be is something truly spectacular that fits the Fort Lauderdale landscape.
I think that, we look to Jack to give his blessing and ask him, Jack, what do you want us to do with the building next door?
Get that bulldozer ready, let's go.
Okay.